Let's run it. Unlucky, mate. That was actually a good try.
Nah, that's never offside. What are you on about?
I swear that defender's so slow. Just run past him.
Just keep the ball, don't rush it too much.
Bro, just pass it earlier. I was making a perfect run there. Don't worry, I've got him covered at the back.
Dude, that AI team's actually really good. We've got to be careful. Why didn't you shoot that? You had so much space. That was sick. How did you even score that?
Your pass is very good, man.
We're smashing them. They can't keep up.
What a goal. That was proper class.
Oh, wow. I didn't get it before, but now I do. Thanks a lot, coach. I got it. 3-5-2 actually works so well. Cheers, coach.
Session cancelled, pitch was closed, but yeah, VTAC's got us on the 5G pitch instead.
Spot on today, lads. Hearing you lot having a laugh out there was class. I'm buzzing for the weekend game now. The vibes are immaculate. Rest up and let's go get it. Get in. Cheers.